the description below so you can guys check them out. Okay, so we're gonna close our eyes, sit in a comfortable position, straighten your back, shoulders back, relax your forehead, palms facing up. Take a moment to be present, to listen to your breathing. Deep inhalations, long exhalations. We're gonna get our hands in prayer position in front of our chest. We're gonna feel grateful for something, whatever you wanna choose you're grateful for today. And when we're ready, we're gonna get our forehead close to up to our head. Slowly come up and open your eyes. So here, we're gonna straighten the legs. Make sure you sit on your sitting bones. We're gonna put our legs apart a little. From here, we're gonna support our hands on the back of our glutes. We're gonna inhale, flex your feet. Exhale. Three. And 5. We're gonna do circles to the inside. We don't wanna be moving our legs. Slowly, as you inhale, flex your feet. Exhale, point your toes. You're gonna synchronize the movement with our feet. To the outside, inhale, flex your feet. Exhale, point your toes. Three. Four. And 5. Relax your feet. Now we're gonna open our toes. Open as much as you can and close. 5 times. 2. From here, we're gonna grab our right leg, interlace our finger in the back of our knee. Inhale, bend to the chest. Exhale, point. Inhale. Exhale, point your feet. We want to synchronize breathing with movement. Exhale, point your leg. Last one. And rest. We're gonna do with the other one. Exhale. 3. 4. And 5. From here, we're gonna support our hands in the side of our knees. We're gonna point our toes. Activate the quads. Inhale up. Exhale down. One more and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come down. Repeat with the other. 1. Last one and hold. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Straighten your chest out, shoulders on the back. Inhale, exhale, come down. Inhale up, Exhale, come down, Paschimottanasana. Yes, and if you can grab your feet, you can always use, if you have a bell or something, if you don't have the flexibility to reach to your feet, you can always use something like this. Stay here, hold for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. We're gonna point our toes. We're gonna sit a little, bend forward a little. Inhale, flex your feet. Point. Exhale. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Flex your feet. Inhale. Exhale. Come down to Paschimottanasana. As much as you can. Shoulders away from ears. Chest out. Inhale up. We're gonna come to our back. From here, we're gonna start with the right leg. We're gonna grab the calves. Inhale, push it, straighten the leg, push it towards your face. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. One last one. Push it towards and at the same time, you're gonna push the leg back, and I'm gonna push it with the hands to my face. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Inhale, come and push it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. From here, we're gonna interlace our finger in the back of our leg, point your toes and flex. Point and flex. Synchronize the movement with the breathing. 4 and 5. Hold it there, flex your feet and push it a little more against your face. Shoulders on the mat. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Rest. Hug the knee towards the chest. From here, we're gonna grab one happy baby leg. From here, we're gonna grab the other side of our foot. Inhale, exhale, push it down to the right side. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Straighten a little and come back to happy baby. 2, from here, you're gonna grab it with the left hand, the right foot, and open to a lay down split as much as you can. Stay there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Change position of the leg. Grab the calves of the left leg. Inhale, push it down, push it towards your face. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Now you're gonna push the leg towards the back, and I'm gonna push it with my legs towards the face. Hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now you're gonna inhale, flex your feet. Exhale, you can always grab your leg on the back. Now bend the left leg, grab the other side of your left foot. As you inhale, exhale, come down, push the leg to half happy baby. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, straighten a little, inhale, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, inhale up, exhale down, one last one, hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and if I can, grab the right hand, grab the outer side of your left leg and try to come to a split. If you're here, that's fine. If you're here, if you can't even grab the foot, you can use something like that and push it. And you're gonna push it to the side, as here. And so look at Eva, she's very flexible. That's also fine, every way is fine. You just need to be mindful about your body. Don't overstretch, hold it there for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Hug the leg. Deep inhalations, long exhalations. Grab the other leg, both legs against the chest. I'm gonna come side to side. From here, we're gonna grab a happy baby, full happy baby. Grab the outer sides of your foot, shoulders on the mat. Inhale, and as you exhale, push the knees towards the mat. 1. Inhale up, exhale down. Inhale up, exhale down. Hold it here, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Come to side. Feel the opening of your hips. Change the position of your hair, grab it from the inside to the outside. And if you can, try to open the legs here. Doesn't matter if you're here, or here. Just be mindful about the movement. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Get your legs together, Viparita Karani. This is a perfect posture. If you're walking all day long, if you feel tired from your legs, maybe working standing, you can do this at the end of your day. Take a moment to breathe. Feel the sensation of your legs relaxing. Calm down. We're gonna cross the right leg on top of the leg 1 and come to ¿cómo es que se llama? Torsión. A torsion. We're gonna look to the right side while our knee points against the other side. Inhale up, come to the middle, cross the left leg on top of the right one, look to the opposite position and bring the knee down. As you exhale, you can help yourself to go deeper into the movement. Inhale, come to the center, hug your legs against the chest. We're gonna come to Baddha Virabhadrasana. Stay here for 5. Close your elbows, support your hands on your upper chest, upper body. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Slowly we're gonna lever our legs full to the back, Halasana. Support your feet on the back. You can always micro bend the knees if this is too much for you. Make sure to straighten your torso. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Close your legs against your face like you're doing a Paschimottanasana or sitting forward fold. And come down vertebra by vertebra. Slowly straighten your legs. Come to the side with your hands to Shavasana. Close your eyes. Relax every part of your body, starting from your toes to your head. Slowly, we're gonna move our fingers, our toes. You can maybe move your head side to side. Slow movement. You can come to fetal position in the right side. Don't open your eyes. Keep breathing with deep inhalations and exhalations. We're going to forward our hands and slowly come up. Do not open your eyes. You're going to sit in a comfortable position. The way we start, we're going to get our hands in great position. We're going to get our head close to our hands.